Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with T. Today I'm going to show you terminal setup guide with ZSH awesomeness on Ubuntu. This is how I set up my Ubuntu terminal and the tools that I used. So at first we need to run this update and upgrade command. So after updating the system, first thing first we need to install ZSH shell. So after that, close the terminal, do log out the PC or laptop and reopen the terminal. So when you install the ZSH and start your shell for the first time, it finds that you don't have a valid ZSHRC file, and then it will show you this configuration wizard. So either you can go through this, you can press 0, or if the installation has been completed earlier, so it didn't show you anything. So next thing we have to do is install ZSH, but before this we need to install Git. So after Git installation we have to run this command. And now we want to change our default shell to ZSH, and we have to enter our password. And now we can install ZSH auto suggestion that will show us suggestion on the terminal. And after the installation complete, we have to open .zsh file in home and replace the plugin in the file and save this. Yes, 73 this line. Now we have to install ZSH syntax highlighting. It will show you red if you give wrong command, and again open the ZSH file and replace the plugin. Yes, we have to replace this and save the .zsh file. And now we have to install font awesome package. Before that we have to close the terminal and open it, and then we have to install font awesome package. It will provide icons on the terminal. And now we install power level 10K. This is a theme that we can use on our terminal. And after installation we have to reopen .zsh file and replace ZSH theme line in 11 line, and just save the ZSH file. So after that we have to log out or restart our PC, and after the restart process we have to reopen our terminal, and you can see the configuration wizard, answer the few questions and customize the terminal as you want. So we have to answer this question: does this look like a diamond? I think no, so we will go with no. That's mean M. And the next question is, does this look like a log? And yes, it will. And the next question is, do all those icons fit between the crosses? No. So we go with N. And now the prompt style, you can choose whatever you want. And the character set, now the current time, prompt head, prompt tails, prompt height, prompt connection, prompt frame, connection and prompt frame, prompt spacing, icons, So in this section I will go with N. I can prefer this, so N. And now instant promote mode, so I will go with verbose, which is recommended, and apply changes. Yes, I want to apply those changes on my terminal, and yes, the terminal customization is complete. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Till then, goodbye.